Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to invite someone to chat in Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chats, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to invite someone to chat in Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to the left corner of your screen from your home screen. So you have the left corner. Now, here you have new chats, you have call, you have contact. So if you take this to contact, move it to contact, now you have this option that says new contact. Now go ahead and click on new contact. So you can now find people here. Now you can find anyone by using their Skype name, their phone number, email, or full name. And these are other ways to add people. Now here you go, invite to Skype, which is the core of this tutorial. So go ahead and click on invite to Skype. So here you can copy your clip. You can copy your the link to your account here by clicking on copy to clipboard and sending it to people to follow you or inviting them to chat by using this. Or you can invite them by using this email option. So click on email and select any of these options. So you're adding an account, you can select any of these options, Google, any of them, just set it up. And once you set it up, you will be able to invite someone using email. And once you set up your email, then you can now add the person's email and send your link to the person so that the person can be invited to have a conversation with you on Skype. So this is just pretty much the process. This is how you can invite someone to Skype to chat with you. So now you can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.